Hello everyone, in this video AP Board Essay 1 Exam 2025-26 Third Language English Question Paper with Answer discuss Class 10th Third Language English Paper. Let's start the paper and the solution key. Section A, Reading Comprehension. Total marks of the paper of 100. Question number 1 to 5. Read the following passage carefully. It was during the meal that, just as Lancho had predicted, big drop of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountain of cloud could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and the sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are fives." Now the answer the question. First one, who had Lancho predicted? Answer, Lancho had predicted big drops of rain. Why did Lancho go out for? Lancho went out for no other reason that to have the pleasure of feeling that rain on his body. Third question, what figure of speech phrase mountains of cloud? Simile, metaphor, personification. Answer become metaphor. Option B is the right answer. Fourth question, why did Lancho fill the raindrops as new coins? Answer, because he would get coins if he crops grew well with the rainwater. Fifth question, the above passage is about Lancho appreciation for new coins. Lancho aspiration for pleasant weather. Lancho aspiration for rain. Right answer C, Lancho aspiration for rain. Read the following stanza carefully. He stalked in his vivid stripes the few steps of cage on pads of velvet quiet. In his quiet rage, he should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. A tiger in the zoo. This poem on the a tiger in the zoo. Now answer the following question. Where is the tiger according the first stanza? Answer, in a cage. What is the phrase? What is the phrase the few steps refer to? Answer, the few steps refer to the limited space in the cage. What is the figure of speech used in the line? In his quiet rage, consonance, simile, personification. Answer, personification. Which animal passes near the water hole? Deer, fawn, tigress. Answer, deer. Tenth question, why is the tiger lurking in the shadow? To take a rest, to catch its prey, due to fear of other animals. Answer, to catch its prey. 11 to 15, read the following passage carefully and answer the question. This passage belonged to the footprint without feet. Question number 11, choose the appropriate answer from the option given. What was Griffin trying to prove with the experiment? How to make a glass? Option A. Option B, how to make the human body invisible? C, how to create new clothes? Answer B, how to make the human body invisible. 12th question, what happened to Griffin body after he took the drugs? It became invisible like glass, it became heavy like stones, it became soft like water. Right answer, option A, it became invisible like glass. 13th question, how did Griffin landlord feel about him? He liked him, he disliked him, he didn't know him. Answer, he disliked him. Question number 14, what did Griffin do the landlord house? He cleaned it, he set it on fire, he left it quietly. Answer, he set it on fire. Option B is the right answer. Why did Griffin take off his cloth? To be invisible while escaping. A option. B, to change his appearance. Option C, to take cleaner. Right answer, option A, to be invisible while escaping. 11 to 16th. 16th question, study the following bar graph about the number of athletes participated in 2024 Paris Olympic. USA 593, China 388, Japan 404, Italy 403, Australia 460, India 117. Now answer the following question. What is the bar graph about? About the number of athletes who participated in the 2024 Paris Olympic. How many countries are shown in the bar diagram? Is a 6 country. The highest number of participants are from USA, China, Japan. Correct answer, USA, United States of America. Which of the following countries sent 460 participants? Italy, Australia, India. Answer, Australia. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer, India represent the least number of participants. India least number of participation participated in the Paris Olympic 2024. Question number 17. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions. Now arrange the jumbled sentence into a meaningful orders. First one is the C. Neha quickly got ready, put on her sneaker and left her house. E. Second, Neha began walking along the path lined with the trees, enjoying the peaceful surrounding. After walking a while, she sat on the bench to rest. D. While sitting, she watched children playing and people jogging by. And the B. Last is the correct jumble. Neha stood up and headed home with a smile on her face. Grammar and vocabulary section. Combine the following sentence using whose. Lancho was filled with sadness. He cornfield was totally destroyed. Lancho, whose cornfield was totally destroyed, was filled with sadness. Change the following sentence into passive voice. He has turned his aeroplane slowly. His aeroplane has been turned slowly by him. Reported speech. Nelson Mandela said to the audience, "We have achieved our political emancipation." Answer, Nelson Mandela told the audience that they have achieved their political emancipation. Fill in the blanks with the suitable preposition given in the bracket. The form has to be signed as you. By, at, on. Answer, by. He stood in the middle of the field and said dash his son. Answer is to. Added the passage. There is first one is a parts, second is a are, and third one is a which, and D is a believed. Is a correct editing passage. Next question number 23. Fill in the blank suitable article. Lancho was dash ox of a man. Answer is an. Owing a pet is dash lifetime commitment. Answer is a A. Change the following into a repeated action in the past using would and used to. Every evening she listened to her favorite radio show. What is the answer? Every evening she would listen to her favorite radio show. On Sunday, our family gathered for a big lunch. On Sunday, our family would gather for a big lunch. Rewrite the sentence using single sentence non modifier. John read a book. The book was exciting. John read an exciting book. She wore a coat. The coat had cozy lining. Answer: she wore a coat with a cozy lining. Question number 26. Give a piece of suitable advice for the situation given. Your younger sister is not showing interest in English. Ask her to read English storybooks. Answer: you should read English storybooks. You had better read English storybooks. Read the paragraph and write the synonyms of the underlined word, choosing word in the boxes. First is a regarded. Regarded answer is a praised. Flower is a blossom. Suddenly, unexpectedly. Resemble is a look like. Next question number 28. Read the following paragraph and answer the antonyms of the underlined words. Now, answer is a then, south is a north, heat is a cold, previous is a next or latter. Fill in the blanks, right form of the word given in the bracket. First is A is a tradition, is a correct spelling TRADITION, and the recount RECOUNT. Complete the following word. Correct prefixes and suffixes given in the bracket. First is a disapproval. Second is the education. Find the wrongly spelt word and write the correct spelling. Truly is a TRULY, truly, and LEDGE, LEDGE. Read the following dictionary entry of the word given in the below. Now answer the following question using the information above. What is the synonyms of the listless? Answer: lethargic. Next, listless is a noun form, listlessness. And the next, using the expression in the sentence, yon phrasal verb take up. She has taken up a new business. Idiomatic expression: from the bottom of my heart. Answer: my friend congratulated me from the bottom of his heart. Match the pair A to pair B is the correct answer. Stared in D. Plung in is a 2. Flight to Coop is a third match. And get along with, first is a D, second is a, third is a B, and fourth is a C. And this one is a creative expression writing. This one is a 35, question number A. Take the screenshot. Now join the Telegram group. Easy to access of the Telegram group PDF. This is a writing section answer, and this one is the internal of the question. Any answer of the any one of the following question number 35 till the last question. And this one is a 36 question, all belonged to the writing section. Complaint regarding disturbance due to the loud DJ noise during the Vinayaka Chavithi celebration. This is a possible answer. Answer modified to the student itself. This is the internal choice of the 36B question. Script for speech: how to build confidence in oneself. How to speech writing. This is a speech writing answer. Any doubt? Comment on it. This is a 37th A question. Is a 37th A question, and this is a T diagram. Write a few paragraph based on the information in it. Types of sentence: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. affirmative sentence, negative sentence, close question, open question, request order, strong emotion and suddenness reaction. This is a paragraph and this is a T diagram of the all type of the sentence and how to write this answer. First part is the introduction. The given diagram is a T diagram. Tree diagram are very useful to describe the data from the branches. The tree diagram show the main kind of sentence. Is sentence has the special role of communication. Description. The diagram divided into the sentence four types: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Declarative sentence tells something, say a fact. She is going to the park is affirmative. She is not going to the park is negative. Interrogative, ask a question, then can be close question which need yes or no. Like it is raining. Open question, we which need to details. Why is it raining? Imperative sentence, command, instructions and request. Please help me. Request, finish your work is a homework. Order, exclamatory sentence, so strong emotion feelings, what a beautiful day, watch out. Analysis, each type of sentence has a own job. Declarative sentence share ideas or information. Interrogative sentence help us ask and learn things. Imperative sentence tell people what to do. Exclamatory sentence show surprise, joy or the tree diagram help us clearly how each type of difference and the useful in daily life fear. The tree diagram neatly show the four kind of sentence and their uses. It help us understand how to speak and write correctly, whether are informing, asking, commanding and expressing emotions. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. Thank you so much watching a video.